Hello everybody, this is the new section. We're going to be learning about the cosine rule. First, I'm going to start off by making the triangle again as a medium cosine rule. And I'm going to label my angles on my sides. Okay, so one thing that you need to remember is your cosine rule, how you're going to write it. So I'm just going to show you the cosine rule. I'm going to explain that rule. So the cosine rule is a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. This looks kind of like a Pythagoras theorem, right? This is when you want to find for finding side A. So what we will be given is, we will be given B, side B and side C. So this side would be given, side B will be given, and side C will be given. These two sides will be given, and as you can see here, angle is also there. So your angle will also be given. So A angle, cos A angle will be given. So this angle, or let me just make it a different color. This angle will be given. So it's basically this when you want to find the side. Okay? Always remember, it should be these two sides and the angle between them should be there. You should not take this angle and this angle if you want to find this. Always, also for example, if it's this side and you want to find this side, C side, then you should have this angle. If you want to find B side, then you should have C side, A side, and you should have the B angle. But in this case, what we have is, we have the B side, we have the C side, and we have the angle. Okay? So, one more point you need to remember is, use when you have two sides and the angle between them to find the other missing angle. Okay, so you want to find side A, you should only have sides, you should only use side C and side B and angle A, and only use this formula if these two sides and angle is given. Okay, now there's another formula for when you want to find the angle. So the formula is cos A, let me write a different color. Cos A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square is equals to 2bc. This is for when you want to find angle A. So you will use this formula when ABC side is given. Okay, you don't have this angle, and you have to find this. So just remember that. You can rearrange this formula and get this. That's what they have basically done. So I've rearranged this formula. I've got everything to the other side. Or see, if I want to rearrange it, let me just quickly rearrange it for you. Say I want to find cos A, right? So I'm going to write in here, a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos A. Right? So now they have got cos A to the other side, b square plus c square only they've done. So what we'll do is, we can take a square plus 2bc cos A and b square plus c square. Okay? Then we will take a square to the other side. So do 2bc cos A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square, and cos A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square over 2bc. So this is my formula. Okay, let's move on to some questions now. Okay, so this is a textbook example question. The question states that we need to calculate the length of the side AB of the triangle ABC, in which AC is 6.5 centimeter, BC is 8.7 centimeter, and angle ACB is equals to 100 degrees. As I told you in the previous video, how to know which angle they're talking about, always check for the middle letter here. Middle letter is C, so they're talking about angle C, that is 100 degrees. So first off, I'm going to start by making a triangle. This will help me decide which rule I need to use. You can label, it doesn't matter what side is, you can label it any way you like. Okay, so now let me mark all the sides and the angles. So we have AC as 6.5 centimeter, we have BC as 8.7 centimeter, and we have angle ACB as 100 degrees. So this one. Okay, now this clearly, and they said we need to find AB, so we need to find this. So clearly we can use cosine rule in this, because we have two sides and the angle between them given, and we have the opposite side of the angle. Okay, so I'm going to start off by first writing the formula. What was the formula? A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2bc cos A, or in this case I will say cos C. And what we have to find? Okay, so let me just, in this case we have to find side C, and we have got side A. So C square is equals to B square, that is 6.5 square, 6.5 square 8.7 square minus 2 into 6.5 into 8.7 into cos 100. Okay, so what I usually do is I just put everything in square root, but let's go step by step in this case. Okay, so C square is equals to, let me put that in my calculator, 6.5 square plus 8.7 square 2 into 6.5 into 8.7 into cos 100. So I get 137.579. Okay, then we will take square root of that. So get my side C as 11.729. Let me take it as 12 centimeters. So this will be my answer. 12 centimeters will be here, or we can just take 11.79, whatever, but 12 centimeters will be this side. So let me just check the answer. Yes, so basically they have just taken it to 3 significant figures, so we will also take it to 3 significant figures. C is equals to, let's round off to 3 significant figures, that will be 11.7 centimeters. Let's move on to a different type of question. Okay, so this is also an example question from the textbook. Let's see. The question states that in triangle ABC, AB is x centimeter, BC is x plus 2 centimeter, AC is equals to 5 centimeter, and angle ABC is 60 degrees. We need to find the value of x. So if you have to find the value of x, we can analyze that it would be a quadratic formula at the end, and we'll have to just simplify it. So let me start by making of the diagram. Okay, so I'm going to label my sides and angles. We have got AB as x centimeter, BC as x plus 2 centimeters, AC as 5 centimeters, and my angle ABC as 6 degrees. So I'm gonna make write my cosine rule. A square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos A. Now we have got, let's first see our sides and angles. We have got this side, we have got this side, and we've got this angle. That means this would be a square. So we'll take 5 square is equals to x square plus x plus 2 the whole square. Sorry. Let me just write it clearly, sorry. X square plus x plus 2 the whole square minus 2 into x plus 2 cos 60 degrees. Okay, now 5 square is 25, x squared plus x square plus 4x plus 4 minus, okay, now in this case cos 60 is, let me just, yeah, cos 60 is half. So half into 2 will give me 1 itself, right? So we'll just, minus will be there, we just have to cancel this out and we have to cancel this out. Oh, I actually cancelled it. Cos 60. Cancel this out and we have to cancel this out, right? So our minus sign will be there, so we'll just put minus here. When you multiply half into 2, you'll get 1 itself. So x squared minus 2x. Okay, so let's simplify it even more. 25 is equals to, now we have x squared plus x squared minus x squared. We will get x squared. Okay, plus 4x minus 2x is 2x plus 4. Now we'll get 25 to the other side because we can see it's a quadratic formula. Minus 25 is equal to 0. So x squared plus 2x, 4 minus 25 is minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, so I will use the quadratic formula because it's easier for me. What is the quadratic formula? X equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x equals to, what is b? Minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 21, 2 into 1. So I get my x values. Let me just check. So these are the answers that I have. X is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 22, that is 3.69, and x is equals to minus 1 minus square root of 22, that is minus 5.69. Now because we need the x values, we can't take minus, right? So this will get cancelled out and this will be my final answer. 3.69 will be my final answer. Okay, very simple. You just have to analyze the question, break down the question, and then move on. We'll move on to the next section in the next video.